Welcome back to the Do and Do Little. We are a mother and daughter duo that likes playing in hair and makeup. That's Cray and that's me. Today's video is a spring fling makeup tutorial. As usual, we're starting off with moisturizing our skin. And we're using the Maybelline Pour. Now, we've learned a new thing on YouTube and TikTok where you put translucent powder on top of your pour regimen. Then you spray it with setting powder. We use cucumber water. And we dry it down. We're getting a little fancy now. We're using our little gold fan. Now it's time for the eyebrows. Trying the glue, which helps the eye hairs stand up. Eyebrow hairs. Wiping off the excess. Trying to get those eyebrows nice and neat. Now we're filling in with the eyebrow gel. Tinted eyebrow gel. Trying to make the eyebrows nice and full. Here we go with our concealer. As always, she uses a lighter color concealer under the eyebrows and a darker concealer on top of the eyebrows. Do you like this video so far? And we're blending out the concealer. More concealer on the eyelid to help the eyeshadow.
One eternity later.
Eyebrows are done. Now we're going in for a cut crease. She's using concealer to do this. a little translucent powder to set the cut crease. Back to our fan again. Now we're using the eyeshadow palette from You Can Be Splashy Candies. None of the eyeshadow colors have a name, but the palette itself is listed down below in the description box. We're using a shade of purple lavender with a little mix of pink, but they have it grouped in the purple family. Now we're using our Color Story palette, Tropical. We're using a color called Tulum. Now we're using the same palette and using the color Beach Please. I like the pun. It's a very darker purple, almost close to like an eggplant. Blended it all out. How's the eye looking to you? Do you like it? And she's brushing the same color under her eye in her waterline, and the color on the corners of her eye is also placed in her tear duct. Now we're using from the same palette the color Coconut to blend the eyelid up top. Now we're going in with our colored eyeliner from, I believe it's pronounced Candavian, but it's a pretty pink. And we're outlining that cut crease. Taking it way out to the end of the eyebrow. She opens up her eye. Now both eyes are done. Now we're using the Elure Line and Lash, which helps as an eyeliner and also as an adhesive for your lashes. You just have to make a bold enough line so the lashes have something to stick to. And it works with any lash. The eyelashes, we kind of painted them a lavender color with one of the eyeliners that she has. Both eyes are done. Foundation time. Black Radiance, her favorite color, espresso. Bring up her hyperpigmentation with a concealer that has a red hue. Drying out that concealer. Then she's going to blend it out with a little foundation. Give us a little comment and let us know how we're doing on this video. Doing her concealer, nose, under the eye. She does it on her Cupid's bow and her chin also. We're doing the darker concealer to chisel out her face, on her temples, her cheeks, and her jawline. Oh, and to contour her nose. Now time to blend it all out. Done. Now time for the lips. We're using a color for outlining called Stripper Pink. And now we're doing another color called Pretty Smart for her inner lips. Have you subscribed to our channel yet? please do. And hit the notification bell so you always know when we upload a new video. She's blending the two colors in. Time for blush. She used a lighter color because she felt as though it was more indicative of spring. And our highlighter palette, she's using First Class. As you notice, primarily everything we've used is in the Lavender family. Let's check out the finale. Are we looking like spring?
A few moments later.
What do you think? Comment down below.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.
Thanks for watching.